Alright, so after we have done the assembling of this work, so now we want to work on these questions, as we are asked that we should draw a front elevation looking in the direction of arrow X, a plan, and two end elevations. We are doing this in pressed angle orthographic projection. So this is arrow X, so the object is being looked at in this direction with this. So let's see how this work can be done. Okay, so what we need to do first is to draw a horizontal line. So we want to draw the front elevation looking in the direction of arrow X as we are told. So we draw a horizontal line like this, and then we are going to draw a vertical line. So just move it a little bit from the edge of the paper, and then we draw a vertical line here. Okay, so now, so we are first of all going to start with this shape that we have here in this part. Okay, so we have this rectangle, and we also see this surface. So we have that distance from total distance is 105. So this is it. So 105. Okay, and then so distance from what do we have? I want to get the distance from, okay, so if we take 10, so I want to get distance from here to here, so we take 10 out of 105, that will give us what? That will give us 95. Okay, so 95, but first of all we'll take a measurement of 105 millimeters. So 105 millimeters from here, so this is 105 from here, and then I'm coming to this side and take 10 millimeters here. Okay, so with this measurement that I've taken, then I will come here and take 25. So 25, so this is 25 millimeters here. So this is 25 millimeters. So we have that. Okay, then so I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point. So where we have that 105, so we have this vertical line. Okay, so at this point also I will draw a vertical line. So here like this. Then here I'm going to draw horizontal line. So that it goes to both left and right, because we are drawing the two end elevation. So this rectangle that we have here, so is for this rectangle, and this one that we have here is for this rectangle that we have here. So we have drawn that. So another thing that we need to show here, we are going to show hidden details. So now by the time we put this one here, so this point is going to be hidden from us. So it's going to be hidden from us. So we are going to show that. So let's do that at once. So we have it. So from what we have here, so from this end we are to take 30. And from here we have 40. So we take a measurement of 30 millimeters from this end. So 30 millimeters from this end, this is 30 millimeters. Then we take 40 millimeters from there. Okay, so this is 40 millimeters. Alright, so we are going to draw a vertical line. So here we draw a vertical line. So it comes down like this, and we also have it comes down like this. Alright, so then the depth, so the depth of this part from here to here is 20 millimeters. This is 20 millimeters. So we are going to take that 20. So we take that 20. So this is 20 millimeters here. Okay, so this is 20 millimeters. And we are going to draw horizontal line. So we draw horizontal line to both left and right. Okay, so let's take note of that. So other thing that we are going to do here is to bring out this shape, because by the time we insert this here, so this will enter into this part. From here to here we enter into this, and then this is going to stand on this surface, and this time from here to here is 40 millimeters, so which we have already taken from here to here. So you just need to do this thing. So this shape, this surface, and this rectangle here on this part. So what I'm going to do now is that I need to erect a vertical line at this point. So I will erect a vertical line at this point here, so it goes up like this. And we also have a vertical line, so we also draw a vertical line at this point here. Alright, so then another thing that we have there is that, so distance from here to here is 45, from here to here is 15. So from here to here is what is 15. Then coming down here is 15, and then it comes from here to here. So from here to here is 25. Okay, so we have to take that distance. So which we have already. Okay, so I will take 45 millimeters up from here. So right from this point here. So we take 45 millimeters up. So this is 45. So at this point, I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So that horizontal line, we draw it to both left and right. So both left and right. So it goes like this, to the left, and it goes to the right. Okay, so we have it here. So then another thing that I need to do, I need to take 15 millimeters. 15 millimeters from this end. So this is 15 millimeters here. So at this point, I will draw a vertical line, and that vertical line will come down to the plan. Okay. So this is the vertical line. We draw like this. Then, so from this point down here, we have 15. So I have to come to this end here and take 15 millimeters down. So this is 15 millimeters here. Okay, so here we draw a horizontal line. So to both left and right. So it goes like this and it goes like this. Another thing that we have here is to create this rectangle that we have here. So we are told that from this end, this rectangle, the length is 15 and the width is 10. So right from here, so to start from here. So here we take what? We take 10 millimeters down. 10 millimeters down. Then we are going to take 15 millimeters. So 15 millimeters. So this is 15 millimeters. So from this point, I'm going to draw a vertical line. Here I will draw a vertical line from this point. So it comes down like this. Then the horizontal line. So horizontal line. So it goes to both left and right like this. Alright, so everything that we need for the front elevation is already placed here. So let's bring out the thickness, the visible outlines and visible edges. So this will be a complete thick line from here to here. Okay, and then so coming up here, so we have a complete thick line. So from here to here. Okay, all right. Then so this will be a thick line, and this will also be a thick line. Okay, then the hidden part. So along this line, so we are going to draw this with short dashes line. So like this. Also coming to this end here, so this will also be a hidden part. So it's short dashes line. Okay, so then here also we also draw this with short dashes line. Alright, so that's what we have there. So also this line also will also be a thick line. Alright, so that's what we have on this part here. That's what we have on this part here, with this hole that is hidden in the front elevation. Then we come up to this surface here. So let's bring that out. So this line will be a thick line from here down, and then so also so this will be a thick line from here to here, and then so this will be a thick line, so from here down, and then so we have this a rectangle. So all right, so this goes down to this end here, and then so we also make this one a thick line from here to here. All right, so this is how the front elevation will look. All right, so we have drawn the front elevation. This is the front elevation. Now let's go for the top view or the plan. So we move down a little bit. So then we draw horizontal line here like this. So then coming for the plan, so distance from here to here is 45 as we have it here, so 45 millimeters, and then we are going to break this down into 15, 15, 15. Okay, so we need to do that. So so I will come here now. So I'm going to take 45 millimeters from this point. So this is 45. Then I'm going to break it down into 3. So this is 15, and this is another 15. So from each of these points, we draw horizontal line. So we draw horizontal line. So to both sides. Alright, so we have done that. So the next thing that we are going to do here is to bring out the shape of the plan. So for this part, so we are going to see this line in join together. So we already have it there, just need to bring it out. So I'm connecting this point and this point together like this. Okay, sorry. So I need to be very careful with this. So from here to here, so from here to here is 10, from here to here is 10, and then from here to here is also 10. So okay, so it's 10. So I need to take that 10 to bring out that part. So it is not 15. So that one is 10. So I have to take 10 from here. So from here up, and then so coming to this point, I need to take 10 down. Okay, so I now need to draw horizontal line again. So you have so many lines, so that means we need to be watchful. Okay. Alright, so we have that. So what I need to do now, so to bring out the plan, so we join this together. Okay, so we also join so this point together like this, and then so we make this a thick line. So this line also from here to here will be a thick line, and then this line, so we also make it a thick line all through. Then this line will also make it a thick line all through. Alright, so we have this. So another thing that we have here is so we have this rectangle. So this rectangle is along this part, so we already have it. Then this shape that we have here, so with this rectangle, so it's around this place. So okay, so that's what we have there. So I need to draw this line as a thick line. Also this line also, so make it a thick line. Then alright, so this 25, that is the distance from here to here. So we have it here. Okay, and then okay, so I want to see the distance from here to here. So distance, okay, so the total is 45. Take 10 out, so the remaining will be 35. So that 35, so I want to know where we have that 35. Okay, so we have it here. So you get to this point, and then this rectangle will come out. Okay, so that's it. So I need to make this, so draw this line like this. Okay, then I will now bring out the rectangle. So I'll bring out the rectangle. So the rectangle is along this part here. Alright, so we have that. So then the part that is hidden, so is around here like this. So we need to show it, very very important. So for this, so it will be hidden in the plan, so we need to show it. So we draw. So these are short dashes line. Also, so you also draw this. Alright, so this is how the plan, this is how the plan looks, as simple as I've done it here. So alright, so this is the plan, so this is how it will look. So let's meet for a video on the two ends elevation. Thank you and God bless you.